Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My today's topic is: can a human being sometimes attain the powers or the attributes of Allah? That means the same person who is a human being gets the powers of Allah such an extent that he can restore the eyesight of a blind person, or sometimes just by looking at that person he can kill that person, or if a person is dead he can revive him and bring him back to life. There are many stories in the Deobandi books. I will give you some stories. It was narrated by Hakimul Ummat Ashraf Ali Thanvi, and the same story is repeated in the Zakaria Kandalabi's book, Akabir Ka Suluk wa Ihsan. That book is in Urdu. And the story goes as it is. The LED brought his kid, who was blind since birth, to one person, to one Sufi. He said, "No, I can't do anything. No, I can't do anything." That lady said, "No, you can't do." Anyhow, the person got frustrated and left from that place. Then on his way, he got a message. I don't know who called him. Maybe Allah. Go back and do the same. Do the needful. So he went back and put his hand on the face of the child and said, "Ma, man mikunam." That means I am doing it. That means he was Allah at that time. Man mikunam. He did not say, man mikunam is a Farsi word. That means I am doing it. Not Allah, but I am doing it. Person had some issue with someone, then he cast his eye on that one and the person died. Similarly, a boy died and a person went there and revived and brought him back to life. There are some stories, you can read it. They say, what is this nonsense religion? It is Islam, or it is just heresy and just to take us from the fold of Islam.